Hi, I'm Amol Borkar, Senior Product Marketing Manager for Vision and AI DSPs at Cadence Tensilica. Today I'm going to walk you through some customer demos that feature our Vision DSP. The mantra for our demos is customer success, high performance, low power at the edge. So let's start with this first demo. This is a demo on image captioning called Show, Attend, and Tell. It's based on the very popular paper from last year, Show, Attend, and Tell. It involves a combination of convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, and an attention-driven RNN, or recurrent neural network. Using these two networks together, we can very accurately mimic the visual cortex to get a better understanding of how we perceive a scene. So over here, I have one of our customer platforms. This is from one of our customers, Dreamchip. It features 4 Vision P6s. However, for this demo and the implementation, the neural network is only running on one P6 core. With the implementation, as you can see over here, we can get very accurate image tagging or image captioning. So you can see there is a man riding a horse, and it clearly can say, man riding a horse in a field. Or a man is riding a horse. Here's an example of a man eating a hot dog, and it can say a man eating a hot dog in a restaurant. Here's an example of a man sitting on a table with a laptop. If you'd like some more information about these demos and our products, please visit us at ip.cadence.com. Thank you. Was that better than last?